NTA-news.com.
Hello everyone, we have a new update and it is very good news. There are a lot of worries about the generals and upload EWS certificate, SC category certificate, ST category certificate, OBC non-creamy layer certificate and PWD certificate. So there were lot of queries and lot of problems, lot of doubts among the people. Now we got the authentic information. See here it is an update given by the NTA in the form of the question is FAQs and it is the point number 34. You can claim it also. So it is given yes general EWS SC/ST. It is asked is it mandatory? Okay. So then they said it is the candidates required to upload original certificates as per the prescribed format issued by the competent authority in the respective state. So that depends on the state, whatever the authority they are given. In case any candidate does not have certificate readily available with him or her, he/she can upload the self undertaking in Appendix 2. However, will have to upload the requisite certificate before the end of the May 2020. So let us see the appendix what it is. Okay. So here letter of undertaking for this is for physically handicapped person. Okay. Now this is the undertaking which you have to submit. Okay. Take a screenshot. Otherwise, you can get it typed in the same format or you can get it downloaded from the Whichchem's website. I will give you the link and there from there you can download and take a sign. It's just you have to sign and upload wherever they are asking the category certificate. In that place instead of the certificate you have to upload this document, and lot of doubts are there regarding the application. So already we have a video uploaded. This is the only channel where you will get the explanation in only English and that too easy English. So and here at the Whichchem YouTube channel we are also giving chemistry free online classes. Avail them and take a test. Just like I'm going to give you one model lecture in the description box. Go through it. If you feel happy you can continue to with Whichchem. And in the Whichchem YouTube channel you will get the all relevant information about the examination, career options, motivation apart from the class 11th and 12th IIT JEE NEET examination video lectures also available. So just to check out with the latest series that is called as a crash course one shot crash course catalyzer. That link also I will provide you. If you have time and have interest, I expect all of you go through that once. I think you will like it. So this is Whichchem YouTube channel signing off. Don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends and press bell icon to get the latest notification update. Bye bye. See you. All the best. Keep visiting for the latest updates on the application format.